Hey, what's up you guys? I have been wanting to make this video for a very long time. I finally got all of my TN stuff in. I've been waiting since December 25th, which was really my bad for ordering a planner so late. And I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been productive for the entire month of January. I only just started studying yesterday and we're like 4 weeks in school. So needless to say, I am screwed. Today I'm going to be doing a quick haul video of my Foxy Fix, as well as the stuff that I got from 1407ers. I was going to originally also do a setup video, but I'm not going to do that anymore just because I don't have everything I need in order to make my TN exactly what I want it to be. I want to go for more like a chic theme, and I did throw some stuff together at home, but it's not really my style. I might show you guys the dashboards I made and stuff, but we'll see. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the 1407ers. Full disclaimer, I've already opened this, but that's fine. Hold on. Okay, so you open it up and it looks like this. I have like a little thank you, and then I think it has my order information on the other side, as well as this flamingo paper clip, designed and printed and assembled in USA. Lots of fluff. And then I got, oh, hold on. Okay. So I got 4 inserts and 2 dashboards. One of the dashboards isn't in here anymore because I've already kind of put what I've wanted to have in there. And I was trying to play around with sizing and stuff like that, and then it was just too difficult to take everything out, so I'll just put that away. So this is just one of the clear plastic dashboards. I only ordered 2, but I kind of regret it. I want to order 2 more, but I might order 2 from the Foxy Fix or another company just to try out something different. First is just a blank page one, and I got this so that I could do memory keeping, so I could like script January and then have like pictures or tickets or anything else I wanted to add in here to kind of remember January by. Next, I got the week on 2 pages. This isn't the one that I originally wanted, but I went for it because it was in stock, to be honest. And it does have the Erin Condren size boxes, which I like. The reason why I don't like this originally is because it's not uniform. Like, it has something else going on up here and then something totally different in this corner. But it's only like up until I think March. Oh no, April. Okay, so it's up until April. No, wait. No, it is March. It's just they have April 1st on here. So I'll just kind of play around with it for 3 months, and if I don't like it, I can always order something new, which is the wonderful thing about having a TN. Next, I just got some dotted paper, and this is to make like lists and keep track of passwords, all that kind of stuff. I'm probably gonna make some tabs with my silhouette, so then that way I can kind of quickly flip to the section that I wanted to. I didn't want to have an entire TN notebook just for passwords and lists and all these other things when I don't think I need that much space for it. But I'll have room to grow, which is a nice thing with the TN. And then lastly, I have a month on 2 pages, which looks like that. I do appreciate that they don't have like every single like, they do have some of the American holidays, but being Canadian, it's kind of annoying when it's really prominent. Like, this is something small I can cover up with a sticker because Memorial Day obviously isn't important to me, neither is Independence Day. But yeah, so that was everything that I got from 1407ers. Next, we are going to be opening, and this, I literally just got it, so this is brand new to me. This is the Foxy Fix packaging, and it is beautiful. Like, I love this rose, like, flowery theme. I love the colors. It reminds me of fall, even though we're almost done winter now. The Canada Post people put like a giant sticker on this side, so you can't really see everything, which sucks. But you get the gist of how pretty it is. Okay, let's open this. Do I even have scissors? No, I do not. I will be back in 1 second. I am back, and I have scissors. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Oh, okay, never mind. Sorry, I ruined the packaging. Oh my god, I'm gonna hurt myself. What is life? Okay. God. Okay. Okay. I'm so excited. Yay. Oh. No, it's not opening. Okay. This box is huge. And I don't know if I can zoom you out a little bit. Okay, this box is huge. I'm just gonna take everything out and we'll just deal with it. That has all of my information in that box. It comes with a lot of fluff. Ooh, so it comes with like a leather sample. And this is Wanderlust Licorice, which is like a really nice black and very pliable. One of the reasons why I actually originally wanted a Webster's Pages, because I really like how thick the leather looks or in their pictures and videos and stuff, but they didn't have the size that I wanted. I really wanted to get a B6, which is what the Foxy is, or I guess they call it the number 5. Just because I really didn't think I'd get into TNs when I first saw them, because I really didn't like the original sizing of them, like at all. Like the original sizing I would never use. It was just too thin and narrow, and I don't know, I wanted something more personal sized, as well as, but I never went for like ring binders because I didn't like how much space that the ring took up. So this was like the perfect happy medium, or so I hope. If not, there's tons of like buy-sell groups out there and I can always get rid of it, but I really hope I love it because 1, it was expensive, and 2, I really want to find my planner piece. Anyways, so it comes in this dust bag that has their logo on it, which probably would be handy for me because I plan on throwing in my backpack. Oh my god, it feels so smooth. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Let me get rid of this. So I got sugar cookie leather. No, I got sugar leather, and then the color is cookie. And I got it in the, not the wide, but the compact with, here, I'll flatten it out, with purple elastics. I'm really glad to know that you can switch out the elastics, because I got white stitching and I kind of wish I got matching elastics, but that's fine. I can always, either make my own or purchase them and then get different colors. I love this color. It is so me. It's this like beautiful couture gray. I didn't get any embossment, which is an option because I wanted to be able to like sell it if it didn't work for me, but I really hope it works. The leather kind of has some, I don't want to call them marks, but a character. Can you tell what I'm talking about? Is this gonna show up? Will the camera focus? These are the questions that we may never know. Oh, okay, now you can see it. So now you can really kind of get a view of what the leather is like if you ignore all the shadowing. I don't think I have an HD camera, but I hope you can kind of see the texture. It is really smooth. And then on the inside, oh, I just flipped it upside down. Good job. Okay, on the inside, I got the secretarial pockets with the pen loop, as well as with the card slot. And I'm really excited to be able to really kind of deck it out and put paper clips and make it look pretty but still be functional. It is pretty pliable as far as leather goes. Ooh, jump bands. But yeah, I don't know if I'm using the right words or not. This is, again, like my first Foxy Fix ever, but I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, I will show you the dashboards. I'll just put this away for a second. I will show you the dashboards that I made for myself quickly. So I'm just gonna use these until my planner press dash box comes in, because I don't have any die cuts or anything like that, so I think that'll be a really nice way to start out with my collection. and kind of get into the groove of things. I am currently like on Pinterest and Etsy and Google and stuff, and just kind of finding some images that I like, and then I'll just print and cut them myself. So I made this, which is really simple. I just found this scrapbook paper that I like, and it was from a paper pad from Michael's, and I cut it out. I really liked like the flowers and how like simplistic it was, so I didn't want to change it. I'll probably use this, I think, for memory keeping. It's all like, yeah, for memory keeping. So there's this one, and like simple on both sides. And then next I have the one for notes. Again, like nothing fancy. I just literally used scrapbook from the same paper pad and just kind of put things together. Here's my weekly. I used my hole puncher. I have two different hole punchers. One was like the air and condensate size, so that you could like cut and make your own dashboards, or covers, covers. And yeah, so I just kind of cut that out, made some kind of like polka dotty raining thing. And then this is already inside of, this is already inside of my, like my, whatchamacallit, my plastic cover dashboard thingy. And as you can see, it is way too short on either end, and then when I originally made it, it was too tall. I had to keep trimming it like I think 5 or 6 times until it like finally fit. So it was definitely like, I didn't really have a proper method. What I had done was I had taken one of my books, and then, oh my god, this is not working for me. I had taken one of my books and I had kind of just traced it out, and I thought that would be enough, but I didn't even think about the plastic dashboard. So I mean, it's a learning experience, so whatever. And then on the front I have this like Simply Gilded washi from the Neutral Skinny set. And then this hello card also came from the same paper pack. I just cut it out. And then I just wrote monthly. I hand lettered them all myself to kind of like, again, it's just something like quick that I wanted to make for myself, so that I could start using my dashboard right away. I also used I made this bookmark. I just used some, like, not yarn. I'm blanking on what kind of string this is, but it's like, it's like string. And then I found this like earring that I don't wear anymore because I can't actually wear, like, I can't wear certain metals. So it looks like this. So I just took the earring. Are we gonna focus? Oh my god, what is life? No, yes, yes. So close but so far. Okay, there we go. So I found this earring, and it was missing its other side, and I can't wear it anymore anyways because my ear, like, they hurt. I can only wear like real gold. But I thought it was really pretty, and I'm not a big fan of the color of string, but that's something that I can change out. And again, like, I just wanted to make something like really quick for myself, so as soon as my Foxy Fix came in, I could use it. And then the other side, I just kind of made like a wreath hole. I don't know, I was just playing around and I made whatever I could. But yeah, so that's kind of all I have for it right now. I am gonna do like an updated, like when I get it to be where I want it to be, which I know the Foxy Fix, a lot of it is a learning experience, and you kind of get to it like your planner piece over time of how you want it to look. But I'll for sure be doing like updated videos as well as some Instagram posts about what it looks like. But yeah, I'm really excited to have it now. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate you stopping by. Check me out on Instagram at YVRplans. Have a great day and see you next time.